Hi everybody! So today's video is being done in collaboration with It's Art by Donna and many other artists for the 2024 crossover Halloween collaboration. Thank you so much, Donna, for allowing me to participate in this collaboration. I'm so excited to see everybody's videos. The collaboration will be on October 30th, October 31st, and November 2nd. I'd like to thank Grandma Kathy's Art Adventure for the introduction, and please make sure to check out her video if you haven't already. After me will be Beverly from Custom Created Handmade Crafts. I will be putting a link in the chat, and I will also have the playlist for the collaboration in my video description. Please make sure to check out everybody's videos. We've all worked very hard on this and it's gonna be a lot of fun. This is gonna be for our Halloween table. We usually have a block party with all of the neighbors and we hand out candy to all of the trick-or-treaters. So this will be going on our table. So I'm going to tell you a story about a ghost named Harry from Elk Falls, Kansas. Elk Falls is a charming little town with fewer than 200 residents, and it proudly declares itself the world's largest living ghost town. Harry was a kind man, and he had a fondness for candy. In life, he delighted in handing out sweets to children. In his home, it always smelled like toffee and fudge. And after he passed away, instead of leaving the town behind, he chose to become its guardian spirit, ensuring that every Halloween, the children could enjoy their festivities in peace. As dusk fell on Halloween night, excitement electrified the air. Families adorned in colorful costumes filled the streets, their laughter echoing through the chilly night. Children clutched pumpkin-shaped buckets, eager to gather as much candy as they could. The air buzzed with anticipation, for soon Harry would rise again. When the clock struck midnight, a thick mist rolled over the town, shrouding it in mystery. The townsfolk gathered near the old cemetery, eyes wide with anticipation. There, at the edge of the glimmering waterfall, Harry began to stir. As he emerged from the earth, he shimmered like moonlight, his ghostly form glowing softly, illuminating the dark night. As he rose, the waterfall surged to life, cascading down the rocks in its magnificent display of sparkling water. The sound was like a chorus of chimes, filling the air with music as it tumbled into the pool below. The townspeople cheered, their spirits lifting, knowing that Harry's arrival meant they were safe. As he enjoyed the festivities, he noticed a group of children in the park debating whether they should share their overflowing candy. Just then, a gang of candy thieves, dressed as clowns, crept closer, their eyes gleaming with mischief. "Not on my watch," Harry shouted, zooming towards them. Just as they reached for the candy, he unleashed a gust of wind that sent them tumbling backward. "Boo! No candy for you!" The children gasped, their eyes wide with amazement. "Is that a real ghost?" one whispered, while another exclaimed, "Yeah, but he's a good ghost." As Harry floated away, he chuckled, feeling proud of his guardian role. Next, he glided to the town square, where the annual Halloween festival was in full swing. Jack-o'-lanterns flickered brightly, illuminating the scene as kids rushed to claim their candy. However, chaos was brewing. A group of kids dressed as mummies had their eyes set on a massive candy pyramid at the center of the festival, determined to claim it for themselves. "No, no, no!" Harry cried, zipping toward them. Just as they reached the pyramid, he summoned a gust of wind that sent the mummies tumbling back, scattering them like leaves in a storm. "That candy is for everyone," he declared. The crowd erupted into applause, cheering for their ghostly guardian. "You, Harry, are the true spirit of Halloween," shouted the festival organizer, a man dressed as a giant candy corn. Just then, Harry noticed a shadowy figure sneaking toward the candy pyramid with a glint in his eye. "Oh no, not you," he shouted, zooming over. It was Timmy, the local prankster, known for his candy-stealing antics. "Just thought I'd borrow a little for myself," Timmy chuckled. Ha ha ha. But Harry wasn't having it. With a swirl, Harry wrapped Timmy in his ghostly fog. "You want candy? Let's share it with everyone." As the fog cleared, Timmy found himself surrounded by kids, each demanding their share of candy. Okay, no need to haunt me," Timmy laughed. Finally, embracing the spirit of Halloween. As the night wound down, Harry watched the children, their faces illuminated with joy, their candy bags full. He felt a warmth in his ghostly heart, knowing that he had kept them safe and happy. When dawn began to break, casting a golden light over Elk Falls, Harry knew it was time for him to return to his grave. "Until next Halloween," he called, waving farewell, "may your hearts be filled with sweetness." As he drifted back towards the waterfall, which slowly returned to its peaceful flow, sparkling in the moonlight, the children's faces were glowing with happiness, headed home, knowing that they had been watched over by a true friend. In Elk Falls, the legend of Harry the Ghost thrived, reminding everyone of the importance of kindness, community, and the joy of sharing. Each Halloween, as the mist rolled in and Waterfall surged to life, Harry would rise again, ensuring that the magic of Halloween would always be celebrated in their little town.
Shadows of October nights, a ghost glides with all its might. Over rooftops it floats unseen, to watch the children trick or treat. With a whisper of the autumn breeze, it dances under colored leaves. Haunting laughter fills the air, but brings no fright, only care. Oh, the ghost of Halloween creates waterfalls no one has seen, watches over young and old. In its presence, hearts are bold. It paints the night with hues of gold, stories of magic yet untold. Behind each mask and costumes gleam lies the spirit of a dream. Through pumpkin patches, ghostly walks, it pauses beauty without a halt. In every smile, in every laugh, its essence is the craft. Oh, the ghost of Halloween creates waterfalls no one has seen, watches over young and old. In its presence, hearts are bold. Oh, the ghost of Halloween creates waterfalls no one has seen, watches over young and old. In its presence, hearts are bold. waterfalls no one had seen. Watches over young and old. In its presence, hearts are bold. In its presence, hearts are bold. Through the night with masks and capes, little feet on haunted chases. A shadow glides in spectral drapes. He keeps them safe through spooky mazes. Candy bags and scary dreams. Tiny witches casting spells. A ghost who hears their silent screams. He breaks the curse and all farewells. Whisper soft beneath the moon. He's the guardian of their fright. No more monsters in the gloom. He's the phantom knight of night. Skeletons and jack-o'-lanterns, giggling ghouls with sweet delight. Ghostly figure never falters, in their shadows, pure and bright. Goodness floats in eerie shrouds, transforms fear with ghostly cheer. In his heart, he makes a vow to protect year after year. Whisper soft beneath the moon. He's the guardian of their fright. No more monsters in the gloom. He's the phantom knight of night.
Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it. And happy Halloween. Beverly from Custom Created Handmade Crafts is next. So please go check out her video now.